That's right, I'm pretending to crack my knuckles. And just like the last video I made where I showed you how cracking your neck and lower back is not good for you, today we'll be discussing whether cracking your knuckles is bad for you as well. So my name's Dr. Anthony, I'm Doctor of Chiropractic, and I hope this is useful for you. So over the years, cracking your knuckles has got a bad reputation. People think that if you crack your knuckles a lot, that you'll get arthritis. And that's partly to do with a study done in 1990 which showed that cracking your knuckles was associated with joint swelling and also weakness in your grip. But since then, just very recently, there's been a couple of studies done which showed that cracking knuckles isn't actually associated with lack of grip strength or swelling in your joints. And back in 2011, there was also a study done that showed that cracking your knuckles doesn't cause arthritis either. So if you do like cracking your knuckles, you're probably going to be okay. On the other hand, cracking your neck and your back, as I showed in another video, is not a good idea. So please don't get the two mixed up.